Stickasaurus here, and today we're going to start on a Mystic Knight silver helmet. Amazing model by Zero Here to Hero. If you ever need a crazy model, go check him out. He did the legwork on these. It's very hard to find reference. We did have to dig deep and get some stuff to get these modeled, but it turned out beautifully. Super excited to see these finished. We'll be making 2 of these in the video, so if I lose my mind, that's why. But it shouldn't be too bad. It's just 2 colors. It's just silver and gold, I believe. The silver means it's going to be an issue because we're going to see every mistake I've ever made. But it fits really nice. It's really cool. We've got magnets to attach the front plate and everything, so it should be fun to do. But we're going to get some spot cleaning on this, and then we'll get trying to figure out how to sink it. So we're going to get a black wash on here. I did one on the second one we were doing and it looked good. So black wash, I'm going to put the magnets in for the jaw. Make sure that works all well. And then we're going to get the satin clear on this. I think that's the plan. So let's see what happens. We're going to install the magnets. There's 3 holes on the mouth on each side and also inside. I'm going to just put magnets in there. Hopefully hold. I did do one of the other ones. It was a bigger one. And they didn't work too well, but we're going to try to figure it out for this one. We'll get magnets and then we'll get to the spin around. Here we go. This is, somehow this one ended up being first, but the first Mystic Knight of Tarnanog. I always say it wrong. Please don't yell at me. I'm sorry. I've only skimmed through like all 50 episodes trying to find reference for the backs of these, and it's impossible. So I have seen some of it, and I get the general gist of it.
Wow, these are a challenge. There's so much to them. They're very long prints. There's a ton of details. I'm not super happy with how the backs turned out. Honestly, super hard to sand to begin with. Second, the details are just like the right height where you get supports in there, but it like kind of fuses with the print, and it's like near impossible to get out. I tried as hard as I can. I took a chisel to it. I took pointy things, everything, even like a screwdriver with a hammer to try to get some of this out, and I couldn't get all of it. I think the black wash kind of covers up some of the mushiness of it. It makes it a little more forgiving. I hope it's okay. I'm really bad at black washes too, so don't yell at me. Though I think up here where the dragon head is turned out excellent. It's just the back I'm not like super proud of, but you know, we tried. Had a little bit harder time with the magnets. We did figure out it does come in, come out pretty well actually. You do have to finagle it just a tiny bit, but other than that, it's pretty awesome. Zero did an absolutely stunning job on all of these. These will eventually be up on the Patreon. I don't know when. I can figure out how we're going to do it. They also might be up for sale on the Patreon. I'm not sure. I got to talk to Zero about what we can and can't do. But these are fantastic. Again, we were working on the entire team, so hopefully we get to finally have them all together. Even like the weird extra bronze guy that's in like 3 episodes, we will try to get something going for him. His helmet's actually pretty basic compared to the rest. I'll get into all the hurdles of the other helmets once we get into it. But this was honestly modeled off mostly a toy. The deluxe figure, shout out to Logan for getting pictures and hooking us up with that. I actually made one for Logan because he really likes silver. So is it 100% accurate? Probably not, but it's absolutely the closest you're going to find. There are no other alternatives out there. So hopefully you enjoyed this. You're looking forward to the rest of these. These are wild helmets. They really take me out of my wheelhouse, make me a little uncomfortable, which I like. You know, we've never done just like knight-esque helmets. So it's really cool. And I also like I can just slide it over my head. It's a big win. But again, I hope you enjoyed watching this. I'll keep you posted on any updates we have to these files or anything, but I think they're pretty much locked in stone at this point. I don't think they could get really better with what we have. If any reference or anything ever comes to light, we will see what we can do. But as always, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplay Props, Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex. We're live every Saturday, Sunday, working on these helmets in person. You can ask any questions you want to. Check out the Discord. Come hang out. I'm in there all week, just hanging out with everybody, talking about Toku, helmets, prop making, all that. We're in there. Check out the merch store. Got lots of cool shirts that people asked for, suggested. And also check out the Patreon. We've got a lot of exciting stuff coming over there. Like I said, these files will be up there eventually. I'm going to be honest, I'm just trying to get the videos and everything done before I put them up there. You can check out the $1 tier. We're doing custom helmets and all kinds of stuff. If you're interested in that, make sure you give it a look. But as always, I'm Stickasaurus. I'll see you next time.